We know what you're thinking. There are millions cookie recipes out there, right? Chocolate chip, peanut butter, oatmeal raisin, you name it, it's been done. But have you ever tried a cookie that captures the magic of campfire treat? That's right. Hi everyone. Today we're making s'mores chocolate chip cookies. We're taking all the gooey, melty goodness of classic s'mores and combining it with the chewy, buttery perfection of a chocolate chip cookie. It's the best of both worlds, folks, and let me tell you, it's an absolute game changer. So buckle up and get ready to bake, because these s'mores chocolate chip cookies are about to be your new summer obsession. We will start by combining the dry ingredients in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Let's add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, add half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it with a whisk and set it aside. Now, in a large bowl, let's combine the wet ingredients by adding a half cup of room temperature unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now cream until smooth using an electric mixer or a stand mixer. Add 1 large egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix over medium speed until well combined. Now add the dry ingredients. Let's start by giving the dry ingredients a gentle mix with a spatula. This will help to incorporate everything before we switch to a mixer, and it keeps the flour from puffing up in a cloud. Use the spatula again to make sure the ingredients are well combined. Now add 2/3 cup of chocolate chips or chunks and a half cup of graham cracker crumbs. And mix well with the spatula. It's time to roll the cookie dough. Scoop out about 1 tablespoon of the dough and flatten it. Place 2 to 3 mini marshmallows or a half of a large marshmallow. Scoop out another tablespoon of the dough and place it on top like a sandwich. Pinch the sides to seal. Now roll to form a ball. Place them on a baking tray and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. While the cookies are still warm, add a couple of marshmallows on top. And broil for 2 minutes until the marshmallows are beautifully toasted. The only thing we have to do now is to grab a glass of milk, because these s'mores cookies are the real deal, without the smoky mess. With every bite, you'll get a burst of melty chocolate, gooey marshmallows, and a crunchy graham crackers crumb, all wrapped in a warm, buttery cookie dream. So, we hope you enjoyed this summer treat, and if you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.